Started putting the sheeting on, and they are actually getting the clerestory up. So you can see the clerestory there. It's Tony standing underneath it. We'll have 5 windows in it. 2 of them will open for drafting the air up and out. So that's kind of the front of the house. We'll have to go get the back. And this is looking at the studio across the back of the house. Heading over towards the clerestory and the living area. Coming around to the master bedroom suite wing. And then over towards the garage. Looking pretty good. Clerestory is going to be crazy. And there'll also be one on the end on the studio too.